How to fix automatic volume up down problem on Android. Hey everyone, this is Nana from Create Log and Delete, and let's begin. Open your phone setting and from here scroll down in your settings and tap on apps option. From here choose all apps option. Now tap on the three dot and select reset app preference and tap on reset apps, and this might fix the issue. If not, there is a second way. What you will do is you will head back of here. Now tap on the search icon and search for reset. Now tap on reset all settings option, then tap on reset all settings once again. But here is a pre-warning. If you tap on reset all settings, it will do much more than just fixing the volume issue. It might also reset all of your data that you have in your phone. So be very careful while using this and stick to the first possible solution, because that can simply fix automatic volume up and down problem on Android. Hope you will give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.